Hello, good morning. Lex Hotel Reservations. This is Patricia speaking. How may I assist you?
I would like to reserve a room for two persons.
Certainly, sir. May I have your name, please?
Lawrence Madelo.
Thank you, Mr. Medelo. May I also have your arrival and departure dates?
September 17 to September 19.
Thank you, sir. Please allow me for a moment to check our room availability. Okay, thank you for waiting. So yeah, we have a deluxe room available for those dates at 6,405 per night. Would you like to proceed with the reservation?
Yes, please.
Wonderful, sir. May I also know your preferred bed type?
I would like a queen size bed.
Yes, sir. So would you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Noted, Sir Medelo. So for your comfort, we also have a premier room with a better view and a larger space. Would you like to upgrade subject to availability?
No, thank you.
No problem, Sir Medelo. So we also have the names of the guests staying in the room. Thank you, sir. So may I also have your contact number and email address?
My contact number is 09100581356 and my email is davelawrencemadelo@gmail.com.
Thank you. So may I also know your expected time of arrival?
Around 3 p.m.
Noted, sir. So how would you like to guarantee your reservation?
Through a credit card, please.
Certainly, sir. May I know the type of card and the card details, please?
Visa. The card number is 123456789.
Thank you. May I also have the name of the card holder?
Dave Lawrence Esmadelo.
Thank you, Mr. Medelo. Please be advised that your credit card will only be used to guarantee the reservation and may be charged according to the hotel's cancellation policy. Let me confirm your reservation details. So the reservation is under Mr. Medelo. The arrival date will be on September 17 and the departure date will be on September 19. Take-home stay is 2 nights and the room type is deluxe room. Bed type is queen size bed and the room preference is non-smoking. Expected time will be on 3 p.m. and the rate is 6,405 per night. The total room charge will be 12,810. The billing arrangement will be the credit card guarantee. Is everything correct, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. So your reservation is now confirmed and guaranteed. Thank you for choosing the Lux Hotel. We look forward to welcoming you and have a pleasant day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye and have a great day, sir. Good morning, front desk. This is Patricia from Reservations. I'd like to endorse a guaranteed reservation. We have Mr. Medelo arriving on September 17 and departing on September 19 for a 2-night stay. The guest requested a deluxe room with a queen-size bed and a non-smoking preference. Expected arrival time is 3 p.m. Kindly block the room and make the necessary room assignment. Thank you. Good morning, sir, and mabuhay. Welcome to Lux Hotel. I'm Patricia, your call attendant for today. How may I help you?
I want to check in.
Do you want me to assist you with your luggage, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you checking out? They have your room number and key card, please. Since you paid your
May I confirm if you only have one luggage with you, sir?
Yes.
So I will put a luggage tag in the luggage tag for identification and safety for the guest.
thank you for staying at the
This way, please. So if you want to use the restroom,
Good morning, ma'am. Are you
over there.
checking
Do you
out?
want to use the restroom, sir?
How?
Okay, this way to
So
the
your
front desk, sir.
total bill is 3,500 and there are no
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to the hotel. How may I assist you?
I have a reservation under Windsor Miguel.
Please wait for a moment as we check your reservation. Yes, sir, we have your guaranteed reservation for you. For verification, your surname is Mr. Madelo, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, you reserved at the last room with a queen size bed at 6,405 per night. You will be arriving today and departing on September 19 for 2 nights. So the reservation was guaranteed through your Visa credit card, is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so kindly review the details and please sign your registration form, please. Thank you, sir. Number, sir, is room 101 located in the second floor. So here is your key and your photo ID. For safety purposes, please present it at all times to leave. So our checkout will be at 12 noon, and if you need help or assistance, just dial 0 at your room telephone. And don't forget that our breakfast will start at 6 a.m. up until midnight. So let me help you to introduce our assistant. Service, please. Good morning, Mr. Medallo. I'm your bell attendant, and I will be assisting you to your room. Here is your luggage claim pad. Please keep it until your departure. May I have your key, please? Thank you. So, this way, please. So, how was your trip going here, sir?
It's okay.
Is this your first time staying with us?
Yes.
Okay, so we're now entering your room, sir. Just wait for a moment. Bill service. Bill service. Bill service. Please wait for a moment, sir, as I check your room first.
Okay.
Okay, everything is okay, sir, and in order. Please come in. Welcome to the room. So, where do you want me to put your luggage, sir?
Just there.
So, do you want me to help you familiarize with the amenities in your room, sir?
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, so there's a television and remote control. Just press this button to turn it on and off. Then just click this number for choosing channels. Then so we also have drawers. You can put your belongings inside. Then we have an air condition. Just press that button to turn it on and off. And if you want to adjust the temperature, just turn it. And we also have safety deposit box for your valuable things. You can place your important documents, and if you want to lock it, just encode your desired number and press this lock button. And if you want to open it, just re-enter the code that you have input. And here's the button for the lights. Just hit this button to adjust. The bathroom is also located here, sir. Okay, so we have hot and cold shower, and we also have bathroom amenities for your convenience. So do you still have any questions to ask, sir?
I guess that's all.
Okay, so if you need help or assistance, here is our room telephone, just dial 0. So enjoy your stay here, sir, and here's your key. Bell service. Bell service. Bell service. Hello, good morning, sir. I will be assisting you for your checkout. May I assist you with your luggage?
Yes, please.
Please kindly review your wardrobe, the drawers, and the bathroom to make sure that valuable things are not left behind.
I guess there's nothing left.
Okay, thank you, sir. This way, please. So, how was your night staying with us?
So far, it's okay.
Do you enjoy staying with us, sir?
Yes, the service, I love the service. Room number and room number 5.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, I'm checking out.
Can I have your room number, please?
Here.
Please wait for a moment as I review your account. Thank you for waiting, sir. So, your accommodation charges were guaranteed by your credit card. You have no additional charges on your account. So, everything has been settled. Would you like an official receipt, sir?
No, I don't want.
Okay, thank you. So, thank you for staying with us, sir. So, we hope to welcome you again at Tax
So you
Control.
have granted distribution.
So, would you like any help or assistance with your luggage?
Yes, I want help.
Okay.
Room
Go, sir, please.
Sir, how may I help you?
Good morning. I'm staying
Good afternoon,
from
sir. So,
room
you're doing
105
alright.
and
And we now assist you. You want me to leave your luggage inside your vehicle, sir?
Yes, please.
Balik to balik.
Okay, so I already loaded your luggage inside your vehicle, sir. I hope you enjoyed your
sir.
stay at our
Okay.
relax hotel. And we hope to see you